AMD's latest RX 9000 series graphics cards are making waves in the tech world, but there's a crucial detail you need to know before upgrading. These GPUs officially require Windows 11 and UEFI mode to function properly. That's right. AMD has released a new support document stating that starting with the RX 9000 series, only UEFI mode will be officially supported, meaning systems using legacy BIOS or CSM compatibility support module may fail to boot or run into compatibility issues. This move mirrors Windows 11's own UEFI and secure boot requirements, emphasizing enhanced security and performance. But what exactly does UEFI bring to the table? Compared to the older legacy BIOS, UEFI offers faster boot times, support for hard drives larger than 2.2 terabytes, NVMe SSD boot support, and improved security features like Windows Secure Boot to prevent malware. AMD also highlights the benefits of resizable bar or smart access memory, which is only available in UEFI mode, further boosting performance. However, this also means that if you're running an older system without UEFI firmware, you might face performance and compatibility issues with the RX 9000 series. In fact, AMD explicitly warns that unsupported devices running Windows 11 without UEFI or Secure Boot won't work optimally with these new GPUs, potentially forcing users to upgrade their entire system. So, how can you check if your current setup supports UEFI? Tools like Tech PowerUp's GPUZ can help you determine if your graphics card's VGA BIOS includes a UEFI module. With AMD's RX 9000 series promising to rival NVIDIA's RTX 5070 Ti in performance while offering improved AI, machine learning, and media encoding capabilities, it's clear that these GPUs are designed for the future. But that future comes with specific requirements, and it's essential to ensure your system is ready. For more tech insights, updates, and tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology with TechVerse.